colorful sessions of splatter painting with your loved ones? Hi Kamis, it's me. Visit me, the Splat Room. This is located in the 3rd floor, the block of SM North Edsa. Let me take you to this new stress-reducing activity that fosters your creativity without any judgment. This first ever splatter studio in Metro Manila opened last August 2024, known for its fun, messy experience. That's why it is named the Splat Room. Each person will register online and is given 45 minutes to suit up, go bananas with paint, and splat around. Registration process, prices, promos, and tips will be discussed at the end of this video. Anyway, their pizza boxes are so cute. I mean, boxes to store your paintings. They provide lockers for you to store your items and protective gear like raincoat and shoe cover. Each person has to choose 4 tempera paint colors. Everything you have to do here is straightforward, just paint, but they have an artist in residence too if you need any backup to help you decide what or how to paint. After it is already clear on what to do, it is now time to start painting.
I'm here to explain your materials. This is egg tempera. It's water-soluble paint, so whether not malagyan sa damit, this paint you can wash it off by thoroughly scrubbing on running water. Each color you're provided a cup for mixing. What you do is, you squirt an amount of paint here. Lalagyan na ng konting water. In terms of ratio, 90% paint, 10% water. Gusto lang natin maging slightly runny yung paint upon mixing. In the case of the gun, pwede nyo dagdagan ng water. You can add a lot more water because you want to make sure while shaping, mag-mix here a white brush. If gusto nyo mag-apply ng backgrounds, you also have here these flat brush. If gusto nyo mag-paint ng figures, or you also have here yung mga fine brushes if you want to paint mga figures, mga details, or your signature sa corner. You also have here provided a splatter brush and a particle brush. They both are used for splatter. What you do is you scoop it around and you can either flash it like that or you can run your finger against the person. Here you're also provided a roller. What you can do is apply the paint evenly on the canvas, or you can use the spongy material to create from blending. Right? Here you also have a scraper and a comb. For this, you can use the flat side of the comb to spread it from one side to the other, or you can use the deep side for creating textures. You can also use the scraper for either removing portions, or for adding textures then. Here below you have your water shooters and water shotguns. For this, your regular water shooter, what you do is you dip the long end of the tube in the paint mixture, hold this part up, point and shoot. Malapad yung sapot niya, but if you want a smaller, more compact splatter, you could use this. For the gun, you shoot the paint inside of the chamber. In the case of the gun, pwede nyo dagdagan yung water. You can add a lot more water because you want to make sure while shooting, mag-mix thoroughly yung water and paint para hindi siya mag-flood. Mag-flood siya pag kulang ng water. So upon shooting, once nag-flood, you can add more water dito sa shoot or just squeeze it paano masuhan. Now, here is your water shotgun. What you do is, ito na lang, dip, pull, point, and shoot. Okay? Dip, pull, point, shoot. Ngayon lang we're using this because baka mabasa yung canvas na natabi natin. Please po, huwag natin lalagyan ng water yung bottles. Dapat naman lang na isipin. For the canvas, you can do it in portrait mode or landscape mode. It's up to you. If you want to have any additional bottles, whether same color or different color or sa switch siya, 50 pesos po. If you want an additional cup for mixing, it's free naman. If you need any assistance in painting, in terms of application of the painting of the tools or painting technique mismo, just ask us. And you have 45 minutes to paint. So take your time, have fun, and enjoy. Yes. Bob? Yes po. Go ahead. If you want to shoot, ayan, nag-provide kami ng tripods. Tapos, buti na, no? Yeah. Everyone's just vertical, TikTok. Oh, I'm matanda pa ako sa... I'm an old man. I prefer horizontal. Yeah.
Same.
Usually, yes. If you want to shoot po, you can lay your phone against this part of the trolley para magkaroon kayo ng angle of your painting reverse shot. Tapos, you can just cut your camera, painting, holding it like that. Tapos, tapos i-combine.
Oh, even my head.
Long distance.
It's okay.
Ayun na napakanda na.
Rush. Sayang sabi. You want? What time do I want to go up there?
You wanna be back here?
And now we're done with our painting. We availed of the party time painting at 799 pesos per person. We really love what we painted. These are all the paintings by my friends too. So cute! After painting, you could wash your hands. The sink is beside the workspace. After that, you have to wait for your painting to dry up before they place it in the box. This is such a huge box, I did not expect it. Okay, let's go! By the way, here are my tips when going here. First, show up at least 15 minutes earlier for check-in and a quick briefing before the fun begins. Second, wear something you won't mind getting paint on. Fortunately, their paint is washable. Keep that protective gear on, flex your art skills, not your outfit until the session's over. Fourth, there is a time limit of 45 minutes to paint and do splat attack, so keep in mind the time. Fifth, take lots of pictures and videos because aside from the solo painting or group painting, it is gonna be a fun memory to look back on. Sixth, allot 1 or 2 more hours more for you to stay in the mall because you will have to wait for the painting to dry up before they box it up for you to bring home. While waiting for it to dry up, you can roam around the mall. Overall, it was a good experience to be here. For the rates, it is usually advised to purchase these tickets online for a rate of at least 799 pesos, wherein you'll be asked to choose a specific time slot from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. If you're painting solo, they provide a canvas for you at 899 pesos, or if you're a pair, you can also have one canvas for 899 pesos per person, good to paint for 45 minutes at the most. If you're a group of 4 or more, it will be charged at 799 pesos per person. There are also promos from time to time in their social media pages, so you can check that too. But you can get in for just 899 pesos less 3 to 5% if you purchase tickets in advance through Klook. Use my Klook code MichelleJD for an additional 3 to 5% off on this activity. If the discount code is not working, the updated Klook code is in this video's description below. To be honest, before going, I felt like the Splat Room was kind of mainstream because you could actually source your painting materials and DIY the experience instead without needing to think of the time limit. However, if you and or your loved ones want some splash of creativity in your hangouts without needing to think of the venue to host, cleaning up the mess, and sourcing the materials, then this would be a good and convenient experience. The themes here give off a fun vibe because you can paint on your canvas or even the wall. They have a variety of paints, brushes, and painting tools you will need. So still, I would rate this experience a 7 out of 10. Hopefully, they could extend the time limit for painting, but I understand in a business perspective that they're trying to cater for all their customers. By the way, they will also be having a new branch in SM Mega Mall soon. Recently, I also posted about the Dessert Museum. Went there to tour around the museum, so you can try it out too. Check out my previous video for the Dessert Museum, full review, rates, promos, and tips. Feel free to use my Klook 5% off discount code to any hotels, staycations, tours, dining, activities, and more worldwide. Updated code is in this video's description below. Before we end this vlog, what do you think about the Splat Room? Comment down below. If you want to watch my other visit experiences, check out my other Visit With Me vlogs too. Hope to see you again, kamis, in my next videos on my recipes, restaurant and staycation ratings, travel vlogs, lifestyle, music, and art.